What do you have, Zachy?
Yeah. Ducks.
Ducks?
Yeah.
Did Grandpa and Mimi send you some ducks?
Yeah.
Do you like them?
Uh-huh.
Thank you, Grandpa and Mimi, for the ducks. Are you washing your knee?
Yeah.
Good.
And an egg.
You want the egg?
Okay. Okay.
Here you go.
And wash it.
You're gonna wash your egg?
Put it in. It's covered in water. Put water in it.
You gonna put water in it?
I got water in it.
Yeah.
It's overflow.
It overflowed?
Yeah. Water.
Say bye-bye.